Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the most exciting releases in the world of automobiles. Today, we've got something incredibly special for all the road trip lovers, adventure seekers, and luxury travel enthusiasts. This is the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. The front exterior of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a bold statement in modern minimalism. It carries the iconic Volvo grille, now larger and more upright to assert dominance on the road. Signature Thor's hammer LED headlights sweep back into a sculpted hood that reflects both elegance and strength. Aerodynamic body lines stretch from the wide front bumper to the windshield, subtly hinting at the wind-cheating capabilities of this behemoth. Integrated high-mounted driving lights and chrome detailing around the fog lamps add a dash of rugged luxury, all while keeping that distinct Volvo DNA intact. Swinging around to the rear, the Volvo Motorhome delivers a clean yet highly functional design. Vertical taillights, a hallmark of the brand, extend elegantly along the back corners, while a high-definition rear-view camera and parking sensors make reversing this massive beauty a breeze. The dual-tone paint finish and subtle branding elevate its visual appeal, and the wide rear hatch ensures easy access to storage or service areas. A retractable bike rack and optional electric awning add practicality for both city explorers and wilderness campers alike. Climbing into the cockpit, you're met with Volvo's futuristic, safety-first approach. The driver's seat is fully adjustable and wrapped in soft Nappa leather, giving SUV-like comfort. A 12.9-inch digital driver cluster provides real-time navigation, performance data, and even motorhome-specific metrics, like water tank levels and battery power. Now let's talk about living in this rolling palace. Step behind the cockpit and you're instantly greeted by a lounge that feels more boutique hotel suite than RV. Rich wooden flooring, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic side windows bring in an abundance of natural light. As for the bedroom, Volvo has redefined comfort in compact form. The queen-size bed is suspended with a hidden sliding mechanism that saves space during the day and drops down at night, complete with memory foam mattress and customizable lighting. Moving to the heart of every home, the kitchen. Here, Volvo has integrated a premium induction cooktop, a smart microwave oven combo, and a deep stainless steel sink with motion-sensing faucet. Under the skin, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is no slouch. It rides on a reinforced Volvo X C90 chassis with an extended wheelbase and air suspension for maximum ride comfort. Powering this giant is a twin-motor all-electric drivetrain, generating a combined 500 horsepower and 680 Newton-meters of torque. So, how much will this rolling luxury hotel set you back? Volvo hasn't released official pricing yet, but industry analysts predict a starting price of around $185,000 to $220,000, depending on the configuration. And finally, let's talk availability. Volvo is expected to officially unveil the 2026 motorhome at the Geneva Motor Show in March 2026, with pre-orders opening shortly after. Deliveries are projected to begin by fourth quarter 2026, with a limited number of units initially available for select regions in Europe and North America.